In this video you will know how to call a screen from another screen. I'm gonna call Customer Details screen from Orders screen. First, I'm gonna create a screen for Customer Details. It is a form with data from a customer table. I'm gonna create a new screen. I'm not gonna show this screen in menu. Layout grid size will be 16 by 16. I need to pass customer ID as a screen parameter and use this ID to select a record from the customer table. I'm creating an input parameter with the code ID. On the Data tab, I'm gonna make a data source for the customer table and use its all fields. These data source operations will be select and update. The filter for the select operations have to choose a record on the customer ID. To use a screen parameter value, type $, curly brackets, @screen dot parameters code. The data source is ready. Now I'm gonna create a view form to show its fields. Choose a data source. This part's type is form. Type in position on the layout grid. Select and arrange fields. I'm gonna install this screen and go to the Data tab of the Orders screen. For the customer data source, I'm gonna add an action for switching to the Customer Details screen. The action is GUI Go Screen. For the screen ID, we have to type the full screen code. You can find it in the screen editor in the Available Screens table. And we have to pass customer ID as a parameter ID in JSON format. Now I'm gonna add a button for this action to the Billing tab. Let's install the screen and see how it works. I hope this has been informative. Thank you for viewing.